If you feel broke, saving your first $1,000 can feel impossible. Your paycheck comes in, and before you even breathe, rent, groceries, gas, debt, and bills take most of it. So when someone says, just save money, it can feel unrealistic and even frustrating. But today, I'll show you a simple plan to save your first $1,000 even if you feel like there is no extra money. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about creating your first layer of financial breathing room. Your first $1,000 is a starter emergency fund that protects you from small emergencies. This money is for things like car repairs, medical needs, or urgent bills that cannot wait. It is not for shopping, vacations, random online orders, or upgrading your phone. Without savings, every emergency becomes a credit card problem. That is how people get stuck. They pay debt down, life happens, and then the card balance goes back up. So your first goal is simple. Save $1,000 before trying to fix every financial problem at once. Do not think of it as one giant number. Think of it as 4 smaller milestones. Your first milestone is $250. That alone can stop some small emergencies from becoming debt. Your second milestone is $500, which gives you more room to handle real life. Your third milestone is $750, where you start feeling less panicked. And your fourth milestone is $1,000, your starter emergency fund. Step 1 is to find your money leaks. Look at your last 30 days of spending and circle anything that was not necessary. Separate your spending into needs and leaks. Cancel or pause unused subscriptions first, because these charges repeat every month. Next, reduce food leaks by planning simple meals and cutting back on takeout for a short period. You do not need a perfect diet plan. You need a basic list before you enter the store. Then give yourself a weekly spending limit for small purchases. Even $10 a day becomes about $300 a month. Step 2 is to create quick cash. Sell unused items around your home and send that money directly to your emergency fund. If possible, use one temporary income boost, like an extra shift, overtime, freelancing, or a weekend side job. Any refund, bonus, cash gift, or unexpected money should go straight into the $1,000 fund. If you can save $250 per week, you can reach $1,000 in 1 month. If you can save $100 per week, you can reach $1,000 in about 10 weeks. If you can only save $50 per week, that still gets you there in about 5 months. Step 3 is to automate it before you spend it. When payday comes, move your savings first, even if it's only $25. Keep the money in a separate savings account so it doesn't mix with everyday spending. The harder it is to casually spend, the safer your emergency fund becomes. Step 4 is to protect the fund from emotional spending. Before using the money, ask, is this urgent, necessary, and unexpected? If the answer is yes, use the fund without guilt. That's exactly what it's for. But after you use it, your next job is to refill it. Your first $1,000 is not just money. It's confidence, stability, and the beginning of your money reset. Comment below, how much do you currently have saved towards your first $1,000? And if you want more beginner-friendly money steps, subscribe for the next video in the 90-Day Money Reset series. This video is for general financial education only and is not personal financial advice. Please make decisions based on your own situation.